Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your coffee, and logging into your laptop to find you've made over $100 overnight. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, make sure to watch until the end because I will reveal a side hustle that not only has the potential to earn you over $3,000 a month, but also can be done entirely from the comfort of your own home. So, what's this side hustle all about? It's none other than running niche faceless YouTube channels. Now, before you start imagining yourself in front of a camera, let me clarify. This doesn't require you to show your face or even speak on camera. I'm talking about a business model where you create videos on topics people care about, treat YouTube like a business, and watch the revenue flow. And the best part? You can start this for free with no upfront costs. Now, why is this the best side hustle out there? Well, let's break it down. First off, you're leveraging the power of YouTube, a platform with billions of users worldwide. Once you hit the milestone of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, opening the doors to substantial ad revenue. And remember, every video you upload stays on the platform indefinitely, potentially earning you money for years to come. You're not just relying on ad revenue. There are multiple monetization sources related to this side hustle, which means your income streams can be diverse and robust. Just think about it. Over $3,000 a month from ad revenue alone, and over $10,000 from other monetization sources. That's the kind of potential. But don't just take my word for it. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step without ever showing your face. And remember, this isn't about luck or chance. It's about putting in the work, following specific strategies, and watching your efforts compound over time. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, if you're ready to take control of your financial future from the comfort of your own home, then buckle up, because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Step 1. Choose your niche wisely. The best ones are about health, wealth, happiness, travel, and technology. These niches make more money per 1,000 views because many advertisers want to put ads on them. Here are some high CPM niches today: technology, make money online, finance, investing, makeup, travel, cars, and movies. Feel free to take a screenshot. So you've got your YouTube channel ready, but what's next? Well, here's step 2, finding your first video idea. It's easier than you think. Just check out the top channels in your niche. Let's say you're into finance. Look up the most popular finance-related videos. See what's trending and what's getting the most views per hour. Aim for videos uploaded over a month ago. Look for ideas that grab attention, like how to quit your 9-to-5 job. And here's a secret sauce. Negativity works. People click on stuff like most underpaid jobs. But remember, use it wisely and ethically. Here's the most crucial part, so make sure to listen carefully. Step 3. Imagine you've got this awesome idea for a YouTube video, but the thought of sitting in front of a camera recording seems daunting, right? Step 3 is all about actually creating your video, but I'm not talking about the traditional sit down and record routine. Nope. We're talking about something more innovative. This software is something incredible. It's called InVideo AI, and trust me, it's not your average video editor. Plus, they've got a free plan. Anyone can sign up and give it a try. But if you're planning on making longer videos or want access to more stuff, there are paid plans too. Let me show you how it works. Once you sign up, all you gotta do is hit that button that says Create AI Video. Then, you'll type in your topic. Let's say you want to make a video about 10 highest earning side hustle. Just paste it in there and select the workflow. We'll go with YouTube Explainer videos. Now, you can either write your own script or let the AI do it for you. But trust me, writing your own script gives your video that personal touch. So, let's say you choose to write your script. Just watch a few related videos, jot down the main points, add in some extra info from Google, and voila! You've got yourself a killer script. Next, choose the length of your video. I recommend going for longer videos because more ad means more money, right? Then, you put in your prompt. Something like, make me a video about the 10 highest earning side hustle. Include online part-time jobs and businesses. You can even choose the background music and the voiceover's accent. Once you've set everything up, hit that generate video button and let the magic happen. Now, while it's cooking up your video, let me tell you about a cool feature. You can actually give commands to edit the video just by typing. Want to change the scene? Done. Make the subtitles pop? It's like having your own video editor. Okay, the video's ready. It will only take less than 6 minutes to create a 5-minute video. Impressive, huh? Now let's take a listen. But here's the kicker. You're not stuck with what the AI gives you. Nope, you can tweak it to your heart's content. Change the music, edit the scenes. You can even record your own voiceover if you want that personal touch. And get this, there's a new feature called Export Project to Timeline that gives you even more editing options. You can upload new assets, adjust the audio, basically make it your own masterpiece. Once you're done, just hit export and boom, your video's ready to be shared with the world. And hey, if you're worried about standing out on YouTube, don't sweat it. With a bit of strategy and creativity, you can make waves in any niche. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on your road to achieving financial freedom. Step 4. Creating your YouTube channel will be Step 4, and if you're already on YouTube, it's easy. Click your profile pic and hit Create Channel. Boom! You're set. Get a nice profile pic and channel art. Use Canva for that. Step 5. Now on to Step 5. Uploading and optimizing your first video. Use Canva for easy thumbnail creation with free templates. For title, description, and tags, check out vidIQ. They even have plenty of video tutorials and channel sharing tips and tricks for optimizing your content for the premium version. Step 6. Now here's where the money will come. Step 6. Upload 30 to 60 videos. Most YouTube channels don't take off right away. It might take 30, 60, or even 100 videos. But imagine having a regular income every month. Worth it, right? Take World According to Briggs. Their travel content is always in demand. You can make videos about cities going downhill in 2024 and keep remaking them for 2025, 2026, and beyond. Trust me, you can even reuse video idea for years. It's worth the effort. With AI tools, there's no excuse not to start. Don't just watch. Be the one person who takes action. Here's a cool hack to boost your income. Head over to websites like Digistore24 or clickbank.com. Check out their affiliate marketplaces. Pick a product in your area of interest. Let's say you're into making money online. You could promote courses for video creation, thumbnail selection, recycling YouTube ideas, and more. Drop that link in all your video descriptions. Boom! You'll earn a sweet up to 50% commission for every purchase. Affiliate marketing can gather in more dough than just ad revenue. Also, did you know Nid AI has an affiliate program? Yep. Scroll down to the bottom of their site. You could review AI software in your videos and link them below. To recap, running niche Faceless YouTube channels offers a lucrative opportunity to earn over $3,000 a month from ad revenue alone. By leveraging diverse monetization sources and putting in consistent effort, you can build a sustainable income stream from the comfort of your own home. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, it's time to take action and start your journey today. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards financial freedom today by starting your own niche YouTube channel. Don't just watch. Take action and let your creativity pave the way to success. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering the art of YouTube entrepreneurship.